Hey, DJ, thank you for rocking with us this year. We are grateful that you placed your trust in us to file your taxes and to maximize your savings. Here are a few personalized tips I put together just for you. Starting with your business, continue to stack your receipts for business supplies, for equipment, traveling, meals, even your vehicle expenses. Don't forget your home office expenses as well, which includes your rental or mortgage payment, your utilities, home insurance, your taxes, as well as lawn services or cleaning services. And let's stay proactive. I would suggest you pause every 3 to 4 months and gather your receipts and reconcile your bank statements. Why? To avoid having to wait to get it all done at the end of the year. And don't forget to set up other means of investments. This is important for high income earners like yourself, so you can save now and for later. We're talking about your retirement accounts, 401ks, IRAs, and others. All right, that's it for now. But I want you to remember, if you receive a tax refund, be sure to figure out ways to set aside a percentage to make it go and grow. Hey, remember, we can help you. We can assist you with that. Don't worry, I'm going to send you more information soon about our additional services to help you make your moolah multiply. Till then, again, thank you for allowing us to serve you. Take care and goodbye.